Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix Spotify code 30 error. If you're encountering the Spotify error code 30 on your iPhone, then it typically indicates an issue with the app's connection to Spotify's server. So in that case, the first step you can go ahead and take is to check your internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone has a stable and active internet connection connected to it, since Spotify requires an internet connection to function properly. Once you are connected to a stable internet, make sure you are using the latest version of Spotify app on your iPhone. Open your App Store and, in the search box, search for Spotify. Once you make your search, tap on the application one more time, and in this page, you'll be able to see an update button. If there is an update available that is yet to be downloaded by you, simply tap on the update button and wait until the download is done. After the update is completed, tap on this open button. After you open your Spotify application, after updating to the new one, you might be able to fix your Spotify issue. If the problem still continues, make sure to clear out Spotify cache. From the main home page of Spotify, after logging in, tap on the gear button at the top right-hand corner. From the settings interface, select Storage. In the option, select Clear Cache. In the pop-up, tap on Clear Cache again. Once you do that, this will help clear your application's cache file from your Spotify app. Once you are done with it, you might be able to fix your Spotify code 30 error. Also, make sure that you are currently running on the latest version of your iOS. If you are not sure, you can check it by going to the Settings app, and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Now, tap on the Software Update button at the top of the screen. Check for available update for your iOS. If there is one, you'll be able to see it right here. Simply tap on the Install Now button to begin the latest software update for your iOS. Once you have the latest iOS version running on your iPhone, you might be able to fix this Spotify issue right away. Go ahead and open Spotify app, and that is how you should be able to work it on. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're going through the Spotify code 30 error on your iPhone. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye. Till then.